Here's a cute shorty from the Wig Company. It's called Energize, and it's from their Statement collection. You know that collection. Budget, quality, affordable, fabulous. That's it. So this, as you can see, has this machine made the wefting all the way across the top. It has here the velvet felt all across the forehead. That is so comfortable, you guys. So nice. Open, stretchy wefting. See how stretchy that is? And it's small nape there, velvet nape. The adjusters are Velcro and a small open ear tabs, but you can see how the hair is all sewn on the inside. I love that detail in the wig because it makes it so much more realistic. So let's pop this on. This is right out of the box. So you're going to see me. I haven't styled it, haven't combed it out or anything. So I'm going to kind of find where that sweep wants to go. And then I have this up here, my hairline. Now let's take a look. Now, you know I have white hair, so normally if I'm wearing a wig like this, I'm going to powder it. And of course that's in my shop. You can go to my link tree and find my shop to find the powder. But look at this. Okay, I know that probably seems really silly, but sometimes you just put a wig on and you just want to do a little happy dance because it's so cute. Look at that. This has a lot of style to it. Look again at these wonderful highlights all through the front, and it just sweeps over, and I'm not having to use no wax, right? I have not put any product. This is right out of the box. So this is a pop it on and head out the door wig. Yep, it is. I can't see yet what it looks like behind, but it feels, I love the way it feels on the neck. So I'm going to turn around for you so you can see the side. That's cute. And the back. This feels, you know, sometimes you just pop on a wig and it already just feels so comfortable. It's perfect. The ear tabs, for me, fall right where I want them to fall, right there. Not too far down, but just in that right spot. I like that I can pull down these little sideburns, because that's what I do with my white hair. Just pull down the sideburns. And I like the way it comes here to the ear and then just kind of cuts the face right there under the cheek and over the ear here. I just love that. Okay, guys, comment down below your thoughts on this. What do you think? I think this little Energize pixie is such a great wig. Yeah, that's nothing. There's no product. There's no spray. I mean, if you wanted to go in and get a lot of volume, get a different look to it, of course you can do that. You could even go with putting both of these behind your ear, like that, or just bring it back down, and there you go. Bring both sides down. This has cute little possibilities. This is still, I love short little pixies when you can tie up a little bow on it, put on a headband. You still have so many styling possibilities, but this, just like this, right out of the box. Go check her out. I have the link below. Be sure and follow and like, and then I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.